Hello everyone and welcome to FunElectronicsToday. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to weld two pieces of plastic at home without expensive machines and fancy techniques. I apply this technique a lot in my daily work. For instance, I had to 3D print an object that was larger than the volume of the printer, and I had to slice it in smaller parts. I then used this technique to weld the parts together. Usually industrial welding processes use friction welding or other techniques, but for this demonstration I'm going to use a regular T12K soldering iron tip and a piece of PLA filament. I guess you can apply this technique with other types of soldering irons as well. The filament usually has to be of the same material you are trying to weld, otherwise the risk is that the part will curl or even crack due to different material characteristics. If you don't have that specific type of material to use as an electrode, you can just slice a strip of material using a cutter and use that strip as an electrode. Make sure you have a well-vented environment or a smoke extractor before attempting this procedure. Some plastic types are emitting toxic fumes when molten. I usually align the parts by securing them with several melted points before I start the actual weld, just to make sure that the parts are staying together as I want them to. As shown in this animation, I use the hot tip of the soldering iron to work some bevel areas. Then I bring the electrode and I start filling the gap with molten material that fuses with both pieces. After I finish, I flip the part over and I apply the same procedure to the other side too. Sometimes I use larger surface tips, like this T12-1401 for better smoothing the surface and getting rid of the wrinkles.